Check the sensor alignment on the top right.
I've secured the heavy padlock. I've secured the heavy padlock.
Secure that pallet, it's shifting. Got it. Watch out behind you.
Ensure the supplements are evenly distributed across the hay. We need to maintain the schedule.
See this fissure right here.
Yes, it goes deep. We should clean it thoroughly before applying the resin.
Feed levels are stabilizing now.
Good, the adjustments worked.
He's clear of the threshold.
Affirmative. Closing the main gate now.
The flow rate is exactly within the specified parameters.
Confirmed. The variance is negligible at this volume.
The sieve separation is complete. Quality check on the fiber bin.
Looks good. No contaminants detected.
The temperature probe is reading 25 Celsius.
And the chlorine levels look perfect, right within the target range.
The spine alignment looks good.
Check the density around the femur, see if the gradient is stable. I'm adjusting the pacing remotely now. Noted. The sensors are tracking the change in cadence perfectly.
Look at the articulation here at the shoulder joint.
Bringing up the kinetic data now.
Suction clear on the lower left molar.
Vitals are stable. Continue scaling.
The temperature is stable at 4 degrees Celsius.
Ready for administration, doctor?
Proceed slowly. Good boy.
The deep rumble registered a significant shift right here.
Confirmed. Data logged successfully.
All right, bring it left slowly. Easy now, hold it right there.
The initial separation looks clean. Retention times are matching the library data. Yes, peak 7 confirms the pheromone presence.
We have a deviation on pathway 4. The matriarch is heading southeast.
Acknowledged. Initiating reroute protocol immediately.
Seismic activity detected, magnitude 6.2. Acknowledged. Triangulating source now. Activate the dampeners.
Adjusting the predictive model parameters now.
Acknowledged. Monitor the respiration rate. It's showing a significant anomaly.
Like for support, comment with your feedback, and subscribe to follow our journey.